Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Chris Brown here, always welcomed on Gordon Guitar. This song is called We, or Warm Embrace. So, cozy song there, only 2-chord song, so very easy to play. 2 chords and 1 strumming pattern, that's it. So, let's start with capo here on the 1st fret. We have the E minor and C. It goes back and forth like that. So, first, the E minor. It's open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the second and final chord is C. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that's it. Alright, so now let's look at the strumming pattern for these chords. So let's start with E minor. That's 1 round, okay? So it starts with down, down, up, clap. Okay? Down, down, up, clap. Like that. And then it continues with down, up, up, clap. So down, up, clap. All right. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, down, up, clap, down, up, clap. And on and on and on. So that is pretty much the song. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for E minor and 2 for C, 2 E, 2 C, and back and forth like that. So let's go for a couple of rounds. Alright, so that is pretty much Chris Brown's Warm Embrace. So if that was helpful for you guys, very easy song, then please let me know and subscribe if you haven't yet. It will be nice, great to see this channel grow. So come on and subscribe here, like this video if you did, and see you soon. Don't forget guys, play tuned.